Hi guys, how's it going? Just let me do that. Oh, here we go. Welcome back to the midweek shave, eh? And as you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a good one lined up for you today. First off, I think this is my favourite brush out of them all. Out of all the brushes I've got, I think every time I get it, I think, yeah, that's the one. There you go. Very kindly gifted to me from some wonderful people over there in the US of A. Look at that. I say it every time. The cameras don't do it justice. Those colours really do pop. And look at that, guys. Strike gold shaving. Absolutely wonderful brush. We're going to stick that in the official John Shaves 101 Super Soaker. Okay, the razor we've got today, look, the Heritage replica. There you go. I'm going to like three-piece razor, guys, look. And what we're going to put in that, we're going to put a Super Iridium in that one. I've been after trying these blades in that razor for a while. Let's open it up. Look, the paper's sticking to it. Oh, do you know, it's just, there you go. We'll put that on there. We'll put that in there. And put that there. Do you know why I do this? I'll tell you why I do. Why I show you, because I'm convinced some wet shavers, you know, guys, I don't think they put a blade in. I know I don't wish to cast aspersion on anybody. Right, so there, okay. So you'll see it's at number 1. And it goes all the way around there. I think what we'll do is we'll go, you'll see the lid going, the top going up, look, you see it? You see it going up? Let's go. We'll do 4, 5 and 6. Yay! Right, we'll get that put in there. We're going to splash up Aqua Velva. I've actually got some of that in there in glass. I might go and get it. But that, I put that for the thumbnail, because that's a good one. Look at that, though. Aqua Velva 5-in-1 Balm. We're having a budget busting share today. Just a minute. There it is. That's the American Aqua Velva in the European glass bottle. And it really does make a difference. That's the stuff we're going to be using today. But now, the star of the show, the pièce de résistance. Are you ready? Look, have you seen it? Well, you're all squinting like the thumbnail. Have a look for it. Check out this Superman Blue Edit. Can you see it? It says 3-in-1 soap bar. I can't find a great deal of information out there. There is a website, but my tablet's died. Basically, 3-in-1, it's a shampoo bar, it's a soap for wash your body bar, and it says you can shave with it too. All that for the princely sum of £7, guys. Let's get that out there. Let's get, now, look at this. That's the size of it there. It's about the size of your average bar of soap. It smells like shower gel. It smells exactly like shower gel. There you go. It's quite soft. See it coming away in my hands? It's quite slippery. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have a shave with it, and then I'm going to put it in the shower, and I'll just use it as a regular bar of soap. Now, I buy soap, or I used to. Now I'm older, I've got a bit more disposable income. I buy slightly more expensive, but I used to buy the bars of soap at 50 pence. And I would use them as a shampoo bar anyway. I go in, I always have a bar of soap in the shower, clean myself, shampoo all over, rinse myself off, and then do the expensive shower gel 5 minutes before I get out. That's how I roll. So that's going to go in there. So we'll get a shave out of it. There you go. And that's called, what was it called again? There you go. Superman Blue Edit. I thought it said Blue EDT. There it is, the Soap Factory. Now, it says, oh, I can't find it now, but on their website it says it contains no unnatural ingredients, and it's handmade, so it's pretty good stuff. So we're going to see how it performs on the water. I can tell you right now, it's certainly slick. So how are we going to do it? How are we going to do it? I think we'll just do it like I use any. All the water's run out of the sink. Yeah. So we'll wet the face and we'll do it like we use any other regular shaving. Yeah, if you've had any shower gel, Lynx, I think Lynx in the United States is called Axe. Just a generic. Well, it's Papa Smurf. It is, it's Papa Smurf, oh my word. Right. Yeah, it just smells like your regular. Oh my word. The water's blue as well. Oh, right. Honestly, I don't know. I must have been really bad in a previous life. I hope this comes out. When I work tomorrow when they're all going, John, you've got a 5 o'clock shadow. Right, here, are you ready? Yeah. Just your basic store-bought generic shaving gel. I've used a few of them over the years. Shaving gel I'm using at the moment is Floyd Vetiver shaving gel. Oh guys, that smells so fresh. But check this out guys, look. It did, didn't it? It did, you know. I started wet shaving to save money. And I just think, if you're where I was at 15 or 16 years ago, and you're looking to save money, so you've got this, you can shave with it, it's shampoo, and it's soap as well. Look at that, I always remember, my father always used to say to me, no matter how poor you are in life, John, you can always afford a bar of soap. Oh my word. There you go. Come on. It did okay, it made a lather, didn't it? We're going to see how much protection it offers up now though. There you go. Love this razor, Heritage Gibbs razor. Absolutely wonderful. See, now I've said that, I'll slice my face through it. Right, well I'll tell you right now, despite being slick, it doesn't seem to be offering a great deal of protection. It's okay, but I did actually read on the instructions, it said put it in your face and leave it to sit for 5 or 10 minutes. But who does that? It feels, guys, to me, just feels like a regular bar of soap. Yeah, it does. It just feels like I'm shaving with a regular bar of soap. Oh. Yeah. So if you guys see it in future and you're tempted, well, yeah, that. Just taking to oh, I caught myself again. What's going on? What's going on here? It's just loose. No, do you know what? That doesn't seem to be sitting right. What's going on here? Oh. Now it's sitting right, that's... No. What's going on? Have a look at the edge of this. I'll hold it as straight as they can. Is it just me? Oh well. There you go. Right. Yeah. So we didn't. Oh, we didn't use a great lot, did we, of that soap? So, like I said, here we go. Actually, it's okay, isn't it? We'll see if it dissipates. Shower gel scented shaving soap. Superman. I mean, I have been told I do bear a striking resemblance to Henry Cavill, Man of Steel. Oh, it's already on number 5, look. There you go. There you go. This razor is not it's not a toy. I waited for this, and I've got to be honest with you, this has got some bite to it, this razor. And the razor that it's based off of is exceptional quality. And I think Heritage have done an absolute masterful job with this. Oh, pardon me, I do apologise. I had Starbucks. And I finished work. And I'm not a big lover of Starbucks, I'm not. Primarily because I don't like spending. But no, I've not had Starbucks for a long time. Matter of fact, last time I had Starbucks was in New York. We stayed at the Wellington Hotel. Oh, guys. So I've told you how, like, how can I put this politely? Loonies, my dad used to call them loonies. You know, the odd members of society. The downtrodden, the oppressed, the weirdos and oddballs. They just seem to see something in me that they like, they do. And we were staying at Wellington Hotel, and every morning I would walk across the Starbucks for coffee, and there would be a tramp begging outside. Let me open the door for you, sir. And I said, no, please don't open the door for me. No, let me open the door for you, Big Daddy. Right. Anyway, he did this. He was a nice fella. Anyway, the last day before, we even had a mountain of shrapnel, you know, nickels and dimes and quarters and whatever it is. And I went across for the Starbucks coffee, and I said, here, because we were going home that day, and I gave him all the shrapnel. And he goes, oh, Big Daddy. Do you know, you big guys, you're always so generous. And then he ran off up the road. And I was just looking at the girls in Starbucks, who looked like they could have been his nieces, actually. You know, they thought it was funny. You big guys, you're always so generous. I wouldn't mind, he was huge. I thought, you're outside Starbucks begging, mate. Trust me, you don't look like you're going without food. But anyway. Have you tried this soap? If you've tried it, let me know in the comments. It was £7, I think, and £4.50 postage. So it was £11.50 for that. Now, I normally pay about £6 for a bar of soap. And before y'all think, John, you must have money to burn, it usually lasts a month. I use it every day in the shower. And I was about due. Oh God, I've just caught myself again. What's going on here? I'm going to have to look at this. I don't think that blade's sitting right at all. There's something not quite right there. I probably missed some. No. But there. Look at that. Yes, I was about due to buy a bar. So, I'd be spending £6 anyway, so it's not that bad. But I mean, like, even if you're on a budget, how long do you reckon that would last you? If you were shaving? Smells really nice, the water's turned blue. Right. Lather mittens. Look at this. We got a ladder, didn't we? Look at this. That's a cold, so look at this. What's going on? Oh my word. Remember guys, there's no shame in cutting yourself. You're dragging a blade across your face. I know, watch some wet shavers. And when they cut themselves, they look mortified. And I just think, go easy guys, not the end of the world. There you go. Oh, well, no, I'll do the leaning in a minute. 3 passes. 3 passes and pickups, guys. Check this. Do you know what? All things being considered, we did okay. And a couple of little nicks. I mean, a cold sore there, and I suffer from very, very dry skin. My skin's extremely brittle. I cut and crack very easily. Yeah, we did okay. I need to revisit. I need to look. I'm going to take that razor apart and just see if it. I don't think it was sitting right, but it's never been an issue in that blade and that razor before, so I don't understand that one. But hey ho, there you go. Aqua Velva Americano in the big glass European bottle. Oh no. There's alcohol. There's alcohol in there. There you go. Courtesy of Christopher Thompson, who sent me this because I've run out. Thank you, Christopher. Who stopped making it. Who makes these decisions? Aqua Velva. Pull your finger out and start making this stuff again. Look at this, guys. Look. Oh my word. Look, they're everywhere. It's contagious. Oh. Oh well. We had a good day. We had a good shave. You catch yourself sometimes, don't you? Look after yourself. Look after yourselves, guys. I'm going. Yeah, look after yourself. Thanks for all the support. Check out the video I uploaded yesterday about my razor blades. A couple of people asked for that. Look after yourselves and each other. I'll let you know on the Saturday shave if I find that just. I don't think that was sitting right. I think I was a bit hasty, a bit rushed. In from work, a little bit late, want to crack on, stuff to do. I may well have just rushed and that blade isn't just sitting right. But look after yourselves guys, and I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Pew! Bye.